Okay, well, welcome back again. Let's talk about improving your credit score for a better financial lifestyle. So today we'll talk about improving your credit score. It's important. First of all, I'll give a disclaimer here. I am not a financial advisor, neither am I a financial expert. I'm just a random guy on YouTube. Do your own due diligence at all time. It is important. Okay, now let's go on with the video. What is a credit score and why does it matter? Let's start with what a credit score is. A credit score is a number that represents your ability to repay debt. It's based on your credit history, and it's used by lenders to decide whether or not you are a good risk. A low credit score can lead to high interest rates, which makes it difficult to afford the things you want. While a high credit score, on the other hand, can save you money in interest payments and give you access to better loan terms. Most common cause of poor or low credit is late payment. Late payments are when you don't pay your bills by their due date or within 30 days. Missing a payment can lower your credit score up to 100 points. There are other things that could lower your credit score, like opening too many accounts in short period of time, having high debt to income ratio, or even owing money to collection agencies. These things can really impact your credit score. Now, improving your credit score is not easy, but it is possible. The best way to do this is by paying off debt and trying not to open new accounts or credit accounts. Now, let's talk about hard and soft inquiries. What is the difference between a hard and a soft inquiry? A hard inquiry occurs when a lender requests your credit report and score. And a soft inquiry is when a lender just needs to verify your identity. A soft inquiry will not affect your credit score as much as hard inquiries do. Hard inquiries can cause significant drop in your credit score, which can take months to recover from. Okay? It's important we know this. What is the average credit score in America? Well, the average credit score in America is 695. Some will say 700, but give or take 695 is not bad, depending on the financial institution you're working with. Okay? Now, the national average is determined by what we call the FICO score. In the description, I will tell us what the FICO score, what FICO means. Okay? Now, the FICO score, which ranges from 300 to 850. The national average score, credit scores, can be broken down into different regions. Okay? Now, regions with the best credit scores are like New Jersey, where they have 724. Now, regions with the worst credit scores are like West Virginia, where they have 619. Now, Region with the average credit scores are like places like Montana, where they have 691. It all depends. It's important you know this, based on your locality. Now, let's talk about how to improve your credit score, a comprehensive step-by-step guide. I might be wrong, I might be right, but always do your due diligence, okay? Like I said, credit scores are a measure of your credit worthiness, and it's important. It's one of the important factors when it comes to getting a loan, renting an apartment, or even checking into a hotel. A good credit score ensures that you get favorable rates on loans and other financial products. And a low credit score can mean high interest rate on loans, which in turn can lead to increased debt and more chances of defaulting on payments. A high credit score means easy access to loans and other financial products with lower interest rates. In this video, I will discuss how you can improve your credit score in 5 steps. Just short. Though many people have tough times, improving their scores, but it also involves, a kind of, blunders that cause them to, be able to, fall into this trap. So ways to increase your credit score is avoiding late payments, pay on time, avoid delinquencies, avoid high balance. Always do not use more than 30%, okay, of your credit score balance. Avoid collections. Make sure you square up your bills and dispute anyone that you feel is not favorable. If you're looking to increase your credit score, if you follow the guidelines I put in this video, I believe we can be able to get to a point where you feel comfortable enough. But always make your decision based on your financial situation. Well, I would like to stop here. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.